Hello everyone, and welcome back to English for All. Today, we are escaping the busy city and heading into the beautiful English countryside. We'll learn essential B2 vocabulary and clear up some very common mistakes. Let's get started. First, let's look at the difference between the country and the countryside. The country simply refers to any geographical area outside the city. However, the countryside refers specifically to the beautiful natural scenery and landscape itself. Now, pay close attention to this classic mistake. When talking about the natural world in general, never use the article the. Just say nature. Saying the nature is incorrect in English. Remember, nature is beautiful. Let's explore how farmers divide their land and set boundaries. To keep animals inside a field, you might use a wooden gate to enter, or put up a wire or metal fence around the perimeter. In the UK, it is very common to see more natural boundaries too. You will often see a hedge, which is a thick line of bushes, or a traditional stone wall built right across the rolling green hills. What about the buildings on a farm? The main house where the farmer and their family live is simply called the farmhouse. And the large wooden building used for storing equipment or keeping animals dry is called a barn. You might find other installations around the property. For example, a well is a deep hole dug in the ground to get fresh water. And a greenhouse is a glass building used to grow plants that need extra warmth.
Let's meet the animals in the fields. You will often see a cow eating grass, or a flock of sheep. Notice that the plural of sheep is just sheep. And their cute babies? Those are called lambs. Around the farmyard, you might spot a donkey or some hens laying eggs. The loud male bird waking everyone up is the cockerel. And of course, the farmer drives a heavy tractor to do the hard work. Let's look at the agricultural process. It starts when the farmer puts seeds into the soil. This is the verb to plant. Then, with water and sunshine, those seeds begin to grow into tall, healthy crops. When the crops are fully grown, it is time to finish the process. Farmers harvest the large fields of wheat or corn. For smaller, delicate fruits like strawberries, we use the verb to pick by hand. Here is a pair of words that often confuse B2 students. Ripe is used for fruit that is ready to eat. Mature, however, is used for adult behavior or for aged cheese and wine. Ripe bananas, but mature students. Time for a mini quiz. Pause the video and fill in the blanks. Ready? 1. Blank is incredibly beautiful in the spring. 2. The farmer keeps his tractor inside the blank. 3. These cherries are completely green. They aren't blank yet. Let's check your answers. Number 1. Nature is incredibly beautiful. Remember, no article. Number 2. The farmer keeps his tractor inside the barn. And number 3. The cherries aren't ripe yet. How many did you get right? Great job today! Keep practicing your countryside vocabulary and try watching some English nature documentaries to hear these words in action. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now!